Hello, my name is Noel Jabori. I'll be doing skill 5 for the non-sterile compounding of an ointment. And first things first, I have to perform all the calculations that are required for the compound, and I'll be making 0.2% natural ointment glycerin, 60 grams. And so, in order for me to know how much nitro I need to use, I added 2% over 60 grams, since I'm going to use the 2% nitro, and that equals 0.2% over x, and the x represents the amount I need to solve. So the 2% x equals 0.2% times 60 grams, and the x will be 6 grams, so 6 grams of nitro. And for the ointment base, in order for me to know how much I need for the ointment base, 60 grams minus 6 grams, and I'll be 54 grams. So I need to use 6 grams of the 2% natural nitro and 54 grams for ointment base. And so I'm going to gather all the materials that I need for today. 2 gloves, labels, pocket scale, alcohol pads, spatula, parchment paper, nitro, ointment base, jar, and the trays. And so I'm going to perform the septic hand washing technique. As you can see, I'm with the hand washing technique, so I got no jewelry on. And first things first. First tissue, paper towel, napkin, whatever. Up in the hot water. Backing away from the sink. Make sure, throw that away. Make sure it's nice and warm, okay. Pre-rinse it. Soap. Chop around. Chop all the soap. Let it dry. Close the sink. That's all. Okay, so right now I'm gonna don the nitro glove. So, glove first. Okay, gloves. Now we're going to clean the materials. Rubbing alcohol. Spatula first. It's the second tray. And then clean the parchment paper. Clean all the parchment paper. See? The parchment paper. Okay, now everything's all clean and sanitized. Okay. So as I weigh my ingredients, go to the margin error of calculation, so which is plus and the minus of 10%. So the minimum margin of error calculation for the nitro would be 5.4 grams, and I got that from 10% of 6, which is 0.6. And 6 grams minus 0.6 grams, 6 grams minus 0.6 grams, which would be 5.4 grams. So the maximum for the nitro will be 6.6 grams from the 10% of 6 grams, which is 0.6 and 6 grams, 0.6, which is 6.6 grams. The minimum for the ointment base would be 48.6 grams, and I got that from the 10% of 54, which is 5.4, which is 5.4. 54 minus 5.4 will be 48.6 grams, and the maximum for the ointment base will be 59.4 from the 10% of the 54 grams. 54 and 54 grams plus 5.4 is equal to 59.4 grams. So the minimum for the nitro will be 5.4 grams. The maximum for nitro is 6.6 grams. The minimum for the ointment is 48.6 grams. The maximum for the ointment is 59.4 grams. Okay. Now I'm going to mix the ingredients. Turn on the scale. Okay. Use all of it up. That's the second one. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, I had some technical difficulties. The scale wasn't working, so 56.4 grams. So I'll put that aside. And now the nitro. Nitro. .5. Okay, so now I'm going to mix them. Mix both together. Nitro base right here. Mix it all. Let's see right mixing. Everything up. Now I'm getting ready to put it in our container. Okay. Up. Now I'm going to label it. see it's labeled. Labeled. Sign correct. PUD. It's all labeled. Okay, and now right, to clean, sanitize the space. Alcohol. Did that, we compounded everything, labeled it and everything. So now it's got to clean our space now. Okay. Clean everything up. Trays. Okay, first tray's cleaned. Now the second tray. I cleaned the spatula also. This is the second tray. To clean the digital scale. Everything's all clean. Packaged everything. Thank you so much.